Today I am going to discuss about the structure of a flower. Life on earth is impossible without plants. A flower is the most attractive part of a flowering plant. The flower grows as a specialized branch from the tip of the stalk known as pedicel. The pedicel swells its tip into a small cup-shaped pad known as receptacle. All the floral whorls arise from the receptacle. A flower represents the reproductive part of a plant body. There are two types of flower, bisexual and unisexual flower. Bisexual flower, the flower which consists of both the male and female reproductive part is known as bisexual flower, for example mohur, and unisexual flower, the flower which only consists of one reproductive part is known as unisexual flower, for example cucumber. There are 4 whorls in a flower which are known as Calyx, Corolla, Androecium and Gynoecium. To see what is actually inside the flower, let us take a china rose and dissect it to see the internal structures. The long stalk which is attached with the plant is known as the pedicel. Now let us dissect the pedicel. Calyx is the outermost whole of the flower which consists of 3 to 4 sepals which are generally green in color and that has been fused. If we see this flower, these are the apicalyx. The calyx protects the inner wholes of the flower in the bud stage. Now slowly peel off the apicalyx. Now I am going to separate the calyx from the bottom and make sure that we don't hold the flower by the stalk because that will break away the inner parts. The next part is corolla. It is the colorful, attractive part of the flower known as petals which attracts the insects. So we can see there are 4 to 5 petals. I want to take out these petals. We will just have to pull the petals aside so that we can see the ovary inside. The corolla encloses and protects the stamens and pistils. The next part is Androecium. It is the male reproductive part known as stamens which have 2 parts, filaments and anther. Each stamen is made up of a slender flexible stalk known as filament which bears and supports the anther. The anther produces the pollen grains which contains the male reproductive cells. The next part is Gynoecium. It is the female reproductive part known as pistils or carpel which have 3 parts, stigma, style and ovary. The stigma is the sticky and the topmost part of the pistil. Style is the long stalk which connects the stigma and ovary. Ovary is the basal portion of the pistil which consists the ovules which is known as the female sex cell. On the basis of floral whorls, there are 2 types of flower, complete and incomplete flower. Complete flower. In a complete flower, all the floral whorls are present. For example, china rose and mustard. In an incomplete flower, 1 or more whorls may be missing. Example, mulberry and date palm. Thanks for watching the video. See you with another one in the next week.